and release the stopper at our ballot arm. Once that stopper is pulled out, our ballot arm is going to swing, and as it swings, it's going to push our ballot into place. We don't make a mistake. Once that's in place, this side of the ballot arm is going to hit this, which is going to operate our lever here. And as you can see, the Army man actually has a needle on the very tip of his gun. That's going to go into our water tower, exploding our water tower, and the water is going to drain down into this bucket here. As you can see, the bucket is set up on a balance, and the one side of the balance is connected to this little lever next to the hand. As that side gets heavier, this side over here is going to come up, and it's going to trip the lever, pushing the hand over on top of our ballot, and the magnets on the bottom will catch our ballot. You can see the fishing line too on this side of the balance. As that comes up, it's going to pull the stopper right here for the marble. The marble is going to come down the ramp. It's going to come spiraling down here, and it's going to run into our rat trap. At this time, we have our ballot grabbed here with our hand. Okay, so then the rat trap is going to trigger, and as you can see, the string is connected to the top here. And depending on which way we selected, it's either going to pull over the very top part, or it's going to pull over the top two sections, moving that ballot a certain distance. As it pulls the top over, you can see this fishing line is connected to the top two. That will release the stopper for our car here. The car is going to come racing down its ramp and run into this stop for the centripetal force wheel. Once that stop comes out, you can see that our ballot marker is in the up position right now. We've rigged the wheel so that it goes around, it'll bring our ballot puncher down and up, and it will stop in the up position. At the same time, when that wheel goes all the way around, it will release the mouse trap. Now at this time, our ballot's been caught, it's been selected, it's been marked. Now all we have to do is put it into our ballot box. So this mouse trap here releases our motorcycle catapult. You guys know Terminator rides his motorcycle all over. So that's going to take this motorcycle here, and it's going to shoot it right into our skyscraper building here. Our building on the back side has a weight on it. You can see that this back board kind of moves. So as the motorcycle goes crashing into our building, it's going to tip the back enough to let that weight go. The weight is going to upset that stopper for our nitroglycerin truck. That's going to come racing down our measuring stick ramp. It's going to bump this lever here, which there's a marble inside of here. It's going to tip the marble. The marble is going to come rolling down. It's going to set off this mouse trap. This mouse trap, it has a string connected right here to our guillotine, which has a razor blade on the end of it. That's going to pull our guillotine down, and you can see this string right here. It's going to cut that string. What that string is doing is it's holding this in the position forward. Okay. Our spring door plunger here wants to pull this thing back. So as soon as this string is cut, it's going to start pulling this lever back. As you can see, the other string on the lever is connected to our bridge. We've tried to design this whole thing to look kind of like a broken down bridge, and this is our upright for our bridge. So that's going to slowly pull our upright over, and you can see the back of the hand has one more string on it, which is connected here. As the bridge comes, it's going to be pulling our hand and our ballot closer and closer to the ballot box. And when the bridge finally falls all the way over, it's in the ballot box.
Hasta la vista, baby.
case and a $750 cash reward. Counts High School. Counts.
Mama, you turn me on, let's turn it up and turn this room